Hi guys, so I wanted to show you guys my lip gloss I made yesterday, or yeah, lipstick I made yesterday with this. And then since I still have some left over, I just left it in here and I forgot about it, and then it was there overnight on the desk. And then it looks like actual lipstick, but in a bowl. And it smells really good. And then here's the one that I made. I can just twist this thing because it's really cold. Hold on. Let me just clean the edges. I won't get any, like, oh, this is cool. And yeah, this is the one I made yesterday with that. Oh! It's really cold. Sweet. I like it. It's a nice pink, and I think it's cute and really affordable. I forgot what colors I used. Oh well. So yeah. Go check out my other videos. Subscribe up there or over up here. I don't know. It's on this side. Here, I think it is. Up there. Comment below. Like it. Or somewhere. Yeah, like it. And yeah. And my next video that I'm about to do now is how I get ready in the morning. This is like the afternoon already, but I woke up like really late. It's 12:55 right now, so. Okay, so go check out that video.